Okay, so let me start the video. And in this video we are just going to explain about we have explained rectangle and lines. Okay, now
Yes.
we are just discussing about the circles. Okay, what is exactly working of circle and how we are going to use these circles in AutoCAD. Okay, so the thing
Okay.
is, if I'm going here in circle, there is a six sort of circle we have. Okay, so that one you have to write in your notebook to be learned. Okay, so that would
Mhm.
be remind always when you will open your notebook. You can see these sort of circles we have, this type of
Okay.
six circles here. So first is center radius. What the mean of center radius is, first point is center and the second point is radius. That means is, if you will click once, so that become a center, but if you will click second, that would be a radius. Okay,
Yes.
so I'm clicking, this is the center, and the second point I have to give here the radius. So now see here, in when I'm just going here, some kind of dimensions is coming,
Mhm.
3414. Okay,
Yeah, radius.
so that means the radius, so I'm typing here 2500. So the radius of circle is 2500 now. So you
Mhm.
go here, we have in dimension there is a radius for the check. So go to the radius and click here and check, is a 2500 radius.
Yeah.
Okay, in the same means you can do in the center diameter. When you'll click on it, so that is the center and the second point is diameter. Same, I am just typing here 2500. That means now the circle is done by the diameter. So you can check the diameter also by the dimension toolbar. This is 2500. Okay,
25. Yes.
got it. Now we have here 2 point circles. So 2 point circle means if you'll click once here and once here, until you will not click two, it will not be executed. Okay,
Mhm.
so I'm just clicking two and then it executed. It means you need 2 points to make this circle. Okay,
Okay.
so in this case there's a 3 point we need.
3 points.
So one, two, and three. Okay, but now let me talk about this one, tangent tangent radius. What the mean of this tangent tangent radius exactly is, the thing is, when you means exactly, I'm just first I'll tell you what is exactly the tangent tangent. Okay,
Mhm.
tangent
Mhm.
exactly, there is a circle. If one line is just near about to the circle and one point
Yeah.
of this circle is connected with the that line, so that is called a
Yeah.
tangent. Okay, see, like this, when I'll click on it and I'll go here, so you see the circle is connecting at any point with the line, so that is called a tangent. Okay,
Okay.
so in this case we need lines. Okay, so suppose I'm taking one rectangle, so rectangle has already their lines, one, two, three, four lines.
Yes.
So in this case I'm doing this circle, tangent tangent radius, one point is this one and one point is this one. It means I'm just connecting circle with these two lines, one this one and one this one. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm selecting this line also. Now it's asking the radius. Okay, you can see in the command bar specify radius of circle. So there's a 7780 is writing
Okay.
here, but I need here like 4000 circle radius. So see, automatically circle is done here with the
Mhm.
connecting with this line and this
Yeah.
line.
But
Okay,
this line will be a connected where the which I gave the point there only it will be given. Huh?
what I saying,
No, I means where we are given the points. Now
uh,
2 points you are given.
so you have to select the lines,
Okay.
automatically it will be connecting with these lines,
Okay. Okay.
because circle has their own means area. Okay, so according
Mhm.
to this, his area, its
According to
area,
the circle of the area, it will be joined to that line.
we can't define it should be select here, here, here,
Yes,
anywhere
yes,
it can
yes.
be.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
we only define the lines.
Yes.
So now we have tangent tangent tangent. In this case there is no need to circle radius or diameter, only the line, one, two. I'm telling it that connect with this line, this line, this line,
Okay.
so automatically it will be connect
Connected with
with
the
this
three
three.
lines. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
So these are the circles, six sort of circles. Okay, now after the circle, we have rectangle is okay, polygon. Okay, So polygon is actually is very interesting, but in rare you will use in your drawings. Okay, but I'll tell you. Suppose I have one circle.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously we have the center point of this. So now I'm going here in polygon. When you will go somewhere on the circle, but you have to give the sides of this polygon first. You see in command bar in down is asking polygon enter number of sides. Okay, so
Number
sides
four.
I'm giving 7
Okay.
and enter. Now when you will go anywhere edge of the circle, so the center will appear. Okay, when you will
Okay.
click the center point, there is a two types coming here appearing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Inscribes
inscribe
and
and
circumscribe.
circumscribe. What's the mean of it? I'm taking this inscribe first. Okay,
Okay.
click. When you will click and when you will click on the edge of the circle,
The hexagon will be.
uh,
Okay.
so with the side of 7, the polygon created inside of the circle.
Mm.
This is means inscribe. Okay, but
Yeah.
when same circle I am doing with same center, what I'm choosing is circumscribe,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm same point I'm choosing to create it, this point,
Okay.
so it will be outside of the circle. There's a difference between circumscribe and inscribe.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it. Yes.
Okay, now we have gradient and hatch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, before the gradient and hatch, we will discuss some more tools in modify. Because if you will draw by the lines, circle, rectangle, then you need some modification. Okay, for
Okay.
that you need erase, copy, mirror, offset,
Error.
trim,
Observes.
and extend. Okay, so I am telling you, erase means if you will choose erase, select and delete.
Mm-hmm.
If you will go copy,
Copy.
select, enter, and you can copy multiples, the numbers of
Okay.
copy whatever you want.
Okay.
If you will click on offset, mirror we will discuss after, okay, later. So now offset is, see, this is the line. Offset basically is the copy, but on a specific distance. So
Mm-hmm.
select offset. I'm choosing here, suppose to 3000. Okay, when you will click on this, and when you will click on this side, then is copy one more line. When you will click on this side, copy one more line. So you can copy multiple line,
Multiple lines.
but the distance will be the same. So for the
But,
sphere,
but just now you click on the offset, right?
yes.
So offset means 3000 offset you put it on that, and how you make a mirror?
Not a mirror, this is not a mirror, this is an
Hmm.
offset. See, again, I have one line,
Yes.
then now I'm going to the offset,
Yes.
then I'm doing 3000 distance.
Yes. 3000 distance. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
it will be offset on 3000.
Yes. So it was keep on copying if you want.
This is
Offset.
copy,
Yeah.
but on a specific distance.
Yes.
Now one thing more I'll tell you about this. So I'm clicking on the line, and again I have to click here. Then again for the more copies I have to click and click here, click and click here. That becomes a very means time taking procedure. Okay, so we have
Yeah.
one shortcut also. When you will click on it, okay,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
this side, okay, and type M, enter. So now is only you need to click this side, automatically all lines will
Okay.
be on the specific distance. Got it?
Okay. Yeah. Got it. Got it.
So this is called offset.
Mhm.
Now we have move, select and enter. You can displace your object. You understand?
Again. Again.
See, I am taking move command
Yeah. Move command.
and select this object. and
Okay. And
enter.
you can move anywhere.
Yes,
Yes.
you can move.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. I got it.
Now I have here rotate. Rotate you no need now. Trim and extend. This is the most important command which you need. Suppose I have these lines. Okay.
Hmm.
When I'll go to the trim TR. Okay. Go to trim. Select this one. Select this one. Unnecessary line you can trim, which you don't need.
Oh,
So line which is connecting suppose up to here. So that one will remove.
okay.
Okay. Suppose
Yes,
this
yes.
circle, this part we can remove. Got it?
Yeah, I got it, got it.
And same we have extend also. So if you want to connect with any object in the front of that line, so you can connect that.
I will get this recording so that I can
Yes,
revise
I'm
myself.
telling you, I'm just right now after 30 minutes or 25 minutes I will upload in YouTube, so you can take from there. Okay,
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
send you the link.
Yeah.
So okay, so
Yes.
extend, you can extend your object. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you, the trick is, see, suppose you are in the trim command.
Hmm.
So now you are just removing these lines, but now you won't use the extend, so you have to go here and you have to click here, or you have to type the shortcut x e x enter. Okay, so the more shortest thing is you can press the shift in trim command.
Okay.
Okay, so it behave like extend.
Okay.
When you will leave the shift, it become trim.
So you have to keep press the shift button, no?
Yes.
Okay.
So in the same case, extend. If you
Mhm.
without shift is extend, with shift is trim. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now write down the shortcuts. I'll tell you. Okay, fast, huh? Only shortcuts. The line is L enter.
One second. Line with.
Line is L enter.
Hmm.
Okay, ray line is, okay, I'll tell you the sign also. Suppose
Yeah.
you are doing the, you are writing the shortcuts. So what you will do, suppose you write L. Okay, and enter, there is a sign of enter, is what, I'll tell you what, like this is the sign of enter. Okay, this is
Yeah.
called enter. So you can write like this,
Hmm.
L and then this sign. Okay, so ray line is RAY enter. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
construction line is XL enter.
Okay.
Multiline is ML enter.
Okay.
Polyline is PL enter.
PL.
Hmm.
Okay.
Rectangle is REC enter.
Okay.
Polygon is POL enter.
Okay.
Circle is C enter.
Okay.
Erase is ER enter.
ER.
Hmm.
Got it.
Copy is CO enter.
CO. Only
Ah,
CO is up. No?
CO.
Oh, CO.
If you will click the C, that would be the circle.
Okay.
Offset is O enter.
Oh,
Move is M enter.
okay.
Trim is TR enter.
Okay.
Extend is EX enter.
Okay.
Okay, now I think that you need to the practice of these objects, these lines.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
you will forget the things. Okay,
Sure.
and
Okay.
become a complications. So you do it. Okay, after the practice, inshallah we will again connect.
Till I was here in the office 3 o'clock. Okay, today.
Today
Yes.
means I not understand what I say.
No, now it's 1:14. Okay.
Okay,
So what time you will come back again?
you first do this. Okay,
Hmm.
then ping me a message. So okay,
Okay.
after that I will tell you.
Okay, boss.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, thank you. How are you? Good.